So today I'm going to teach you how to draw digital like a pro in less than 5 minutes. These are tips I actually use, so stay till the end of the video if you wanna get better at digital drawing. And to do this, I'm going to use an iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil, but you can also use a drawing tablet, a pen display, or even your phone. But before we start, let me clean my desk because it is a mess. Ugh. First, I'm going to do the rough sketch. To make digital art, I'm using this random drawing app I found on the App Store called Procreate. Now just open a new file and start working on it, but don't forget to wear the sexy gloves to get sexy results. And to sketch, I'm using the digital 6B pencil. Ooh, delicious. Now when you're finished your rough sketch, just create a new layer over it and draw a cleaner sketch of your character. Holy shit, my sketch is done. Now it's time to ink. Lower the opacity of your sketch layer and add a new one over it where you're going to draw the sexy lines. Oh wait, the F-Liner doesn't work on the iPad Pro. Ugh, F in the chat for the F-Liner, boys. To draw sexy lines, I use the Studio Pen brush on Procreate. Look at these sexy lines. Ugh. Oh yeah! And don't forget to drink paint water. Holy shit, I feel fresh now. Okay, liner done, so now it's time to color, but my Copics don't work on the iPad. Ugh, so bye bye Copics. Ew. My brothers, this is the color wheel. Wait, ew, green. But before I keep drawing, let me talk to you about the sponsor of this video. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers you membership with meaning and thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. Skillshare empowers you to accomplish real growth, and they give you classes designed for real life so you can keep with your creative journey without stopping other things. You can learn with short classes that are fun to watch, helpful, and fit your busy routine. Editing, drawing, taking pictures, filmmaking, cooking. Wanna become a pro? Go to Skillshare. For example, Jaron Vogel's digital illustration class helped me a lot. I didn't really know how to draw digitally, but after watching that class everything became easier and my drawings improved a lot. And that's not it, my brothers. Skillshare is also really affordable. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. So go to the link in the description, and the first 500 people to click the link will get 2 months of Teacher Premium membership for free. What are you waiting for, my brothers? Now let's go back to the video. To color, create a new layer under your line art and use it to color the whole shape of your character using one solid color. Now just create a new layer over it, click it and select clipping mask. And look at this, my brothers. Ugh, this is what I call big brain activity. Tunnel vision when I hit the holly. But it's time to sleep. See you tomorrow. It's already tomorrow and I can't wait to finish this thing. First, just color your character using flat colors. Don't add the shadows yet. You can also use Procreate's palette to color your drawing with epic color combinations.
I'm so antisocial, but I guess it's type selective. Swear I'll make a change, but for now I just can't help it. Only trusting God in these scars that I've been dealt with. I'ma do.
Now that your flat colors are done, create a new layer over it, tap it and select clipping mask again. This is where you're going to draw the shadows. And don't forget to wear Crocs and socks to get ultra astro sexy results.
The action, bitch, I'm acting. If you never heard of it, don't be just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I broke if you ask.
Okay, now the most important part. Just add your signature and it's finally done. Enjoy the reveal. Bye.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you.
Hey Gawx, do you know where my iPad Pro is?
Oh shit.
Stop. No, 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 no.
Oh shit.